In this video, I am participating in Heidi Sonboul's Gallery of Christmas Trees. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Ta-da! I am so proud of this little Christmas tree. I wanted to learn how to put ribbon on a tree, so I watched a couple of tutorials on YouTube, in particular one on Roberson's Designs and then one on the Hobby Lobby Creative Shop. And it showed me how to twist the ribbon and get it on the tree. And I am just so pleased. And usually I'll have a bunch of different little ornaments and that kind of thing on the tree, but this time I decided I just wanted Christmas balls and the ribbon and some lights. Now this is a Martha Stewart tree. It is 3.5 foot tall. It came with this little urn. It came in this little urn, I should say, and the lights are already on it. So all I had to do was add my decor. So now let me plug it in so you can see how it looks from that perspective. So there it is with the lights on. Now let me dim the lights in the kitchen so you can see how it looks with the kitchen lights off. Isn't it gorgeous? I am just so pleased with the way this tree turned out. If you want to learn how to put ribbon on a tree, I will link the Roberson Designs video and the Hobby Lobby video below that I used to learn how to put the ribbon on the tree. And then there was also one that I looked at that talked about how to put bulbs on the tree. So I will link that one below as well. And if you're not familiar with Heidi Sonboul, please check her out. She does some amazing things over there. I will link her channel below as well as the playlist. Now the funky bow is my DIY for this project. I learned how to make a funky bow by watching tutorials on Arlene's Country Craft Corner. And I will link her channel below so that you can learn how to do that as well. So check out the playlist. Her goal was to have a gallery of trees, and I've talked to a couple of people who are planning to get their tree into that gallery, just so we can look at tree after tree after tree of beauty and get some ideas for our own home. Now here's my question for you. What part of this whole process do you have questions about? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.